You ever just want to open a bottle of wine for just one glass? You don't want the whole bottle, you just want one glass. Well, I have a perfect solution for you. Hi, I'm Linda from A Labor of Life, and I love to share everything food, fun, and fashion. Today, we are going to dive deeply into the world of wine. Because if you know me, you know I like my wine. We're going to talk about Coravin, wine preservation system you didn't know you needed. Or at least I didn't know I needed. And it's not often that I open a bottle of wine and don't want to finish the bottle or finish the bottle within a day or so. But every so often, especially when I am by myself, I might want a bottle of wine or a glass of wine. You're not a bottle. I might want a glass of wine, but I don't want to open a really good bottle. So on those days, like when Kent's away, I may actually open a screw top bottle instead of a corked bottle. But now I can open a cork bottle if I so choose. So Coravin is a system that allows you to leave the cork in the bottle, and if it's a corked bottle and you leave it in, this system will actually allow you to save the bottle of wine for basically a week, a month, even years, if it's done properly. Not that there's any bottle that I think I want to actually save for years, but you never know. Maybe you actually open it up and it is not quite ready, and this allows it to still cellar. But there are times when I might actually want the bottle to last a week or a couple of weeks because I just want a single glass to go with a particular meal. And this is perfect solution. So let me show you what it is. I have opened it because I have used it because I created a reel already just to show you. So this is the system. Now, I already have air cartridge in this one because it's been used. This is our little wine gun or wine system. It's kind of cool. So you have to make sure that it is up, because basically you're going to push it down through the cork. Take the foil off first. Big tip. Take the foil off first. So you're going to put it down, and then when you're ready to pour the bottle, I'll show it up here, you're going to, bottle goes this way, wine pours out this way, and air is what actually allows it to pour out through here. Now, they also, in case you actually have picked up a couple of screw tops and you don't want to actually, so they actually give you a couple of screw tops too. That completely, so you'll take the screw top off, you'll put the new screw top on, and then through this little piece here, see that? That is where this goes through. And then when you pull this out after you've poured your glass, you can tip your bottle upside down. There's no leakage because it completely reseals. The cork reseals. So it comes with your kit. So you get 2 of those screw tops. You get 2 cartridges. Not sure how long each cartridge will last yet because it's relatively new to me. I've only used it a couple times, so I'm still on the same air cartridge. And it also comes with an aerator that you can, put over the end to aerate your wine. But you can also pour the glass and let it breathe before you sample it. Very, very cool device for the wine lover in your life. The wine lover that likes maybe a not inexpensive bottle of wine, but wants to savor it, wants to have just one glass. Perfect for those evenings where maybe you're going to have a salad and then your main and some apps, and you want different bottles of wine, and you don't actually want to drink 4 or 5 bottles of wine that evening. Because yes, there are times when you don't want to drink 4 or 5 bottles of wine. Not often, but sometimes. Anyway, loving the Coravin. I'm going to put a few clips here because I'm sure you want to see how it works. And I will show you how I have, pushed it through a cork, push it through replacing the screw top, tip the bottle upside down. It's working perfectly, working beautifully. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know and I will try to answer those for you. And I will link down below where you can find one of these great preservation systems all your own. Again, it is Linda from The Labor of Life, sharing everything about food, fun, and fashion from a boomer's point of view, or a non-boomer's point of view, because apparently 1964 is no longer a boomer year. Who knew? Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Double tap, maybe subscribe, follow along on my fun journey, and I will see you on the net.